they're like, oh wow, like if I do owner finance this thing, I could make a couple $100,000 more. The deal analyzer, our deal analyzer does this for you automatically. All you have to do is just print the letter out and then just hand it over to the owner. But the truth is I mean, you could create your own letter and do this yourself. Essentially, you're just coming up with a whole bunch of different ways to make offers, right? So and I always tell everybody, make, a cash offer, a bank financing offer, and then a couple of owner financing offers, so that you're getting the wheels turning on the owner for the owners. You're getting the wheels turning and they're like, oh wow, like if I do owner finance this thing, I could make a couple $100,000 more, right? And so that's really how we get a lot of those owner finance. And sometimes a lot of times this doesn't work out, and they say, no, I just want the $1.4 million cash, which is basically what the guy said that we're buying from, right? And but you want to try and show them this, because it is your job to educate the owner on what his options are, because the owner's options in his mind is one option: sell it and make money on it, right? It's just like sell it, just get the one thing. But they don't understand, a lot of them, I'm saying most do not understand these concepts. Okay. So this is basically what we did for the one that we're closing on tomorrow. We sent the offer letter over. We just ran the numbers in the deal analyzer and put all the inputs in, right? From here, you put all the inputs in, and then in the end, we came up with an offer. And a lot of times it's like, maybe it was like 1.1, maybe it's 1.2, $1.3 million. And he came back and he said $1.4 million or whatever it is. Okay, so we negotiated that. But these are all financing inputs that you are running numbers on in order to create your offers. And this is what your offer letter is going to look like. Let us know. And you send this over to them, is what you do, so that they can, decide if they want to work with us. I'm telling you, I call this the magic offer letter. Okay, that's what it's called, the magic offer letter. You guys can all do this to yourself and create this yourself, or you can just go to my website, which is StacyRossetti.com. You can buy my deal analyzer and it will just create this for you when you're running your numbers. And then also with my deal analyzer, there's a whole bunch of videos that goes with it. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process of filling it out. If you are having trouble trying to figure out how to analyze self-storage, I highly recommend that you get my deal analyzer, because that is going to really walk you through how to analyze deals. That's really what it's for, is to analyze the deal for you. And it has like green is a good number and red is not a good number, right? And it kind of shows you on all the different financing inputs that you do, this number is not going to work. These deals are not going to work. You have to change numbers and stuff. Okay. So, but anyways, so I was going to just say real fast. Yeah. So you want to go to StacyRossetti.com. Rossetti.com. And that's where you can get the deal analyzer. There's a link right there. Analyzer. Okay. If you want to go through the course, you're more than welcome to buy the course, which is Super Simple Self-Storage. Super Simple Self-Storage. Okay, this is the course. Somebody asked about the Facebook group. The Facebook group is called Super Simple Self-Storage. Okay. If you can join the Facebook group, get the course, get the deal analyzer, and then come to these Wednesday sessions, I call that the triad, is what I call that, right? That's like course, deal analyzer, the Facebook group, and then the Wednesday trainings. If you can get all 3 of these, I'm telling you, within the next couple of months, you'll be rocking and rolling. In fact, I just got like a post. He was like, "Hey, Stacy, I bought a couple of deals. Thank you so much for your course." I was like, "Yes, thank you so much." So I'm gonna try to get him to come on and talk about it. He's like, "I went through your course. I got your deal analyzer." He's like, "I'm buying my second storage facility right now." And I was like, "Oh, that's awesome."
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.